Hello and welcome. This is a short video on Emerald tips and tricks, and today we will look at Smart Search. In my previous video I said Emerald packs a ton of smartness. While it is meant to be easy for beginners, Emerald contains a set of smart tools for the advanced or power users. So Smart Search is one of them. Today we'll take you through Smart Search and how it works. Emerald templates are detailed and contain hundreds of diagnoses. For example, if you look at the liver, you will see that in this template, which is the abdominopelvic template, you will find that under liver there are several diagnoses listed. And this is true for every single organ. So if you look at, for example, the kidneys, again you will find a host of diagnoses or a host of conditions that can occur in various patients, and all of this comes in very handy when radiologists are dealing with not only the frequently occurring conditions but also the rare and very rare conditions. However, are you worried about how to find the right diagnosis when having so many choices? Well, it's simple. Look here on the top right, we have this lens icon, and when you click that, a search box appears. We call this the Smart Search, and here you can just type in any diagnosis name and then you can see what happens. Let me illustrate this with an example. Let's say you're doing this abdominopelvic scan and you suspect that the patient might have cirrhosis of the liver. So all you have to do is, in that case, just type in cirrhosis here, and I just start with the first few letters of the word cirrhosis, and you see that the diagnosis shows up. You don't have to know the exact spelling of this, but you need to start with the right letters and then it shows up here. You can select the diagnosis here itself, and when you do that, you see that the selection has been applied. The text in the report has been modified now to illustrate, to indicate that cirrhosis has been selected. Not only is it updated in the observation section, but if you go down, you will see that it's also updated in the impressions. The impression now says, liver is small in size and has potentially is it a query a cirrhosis of liver. In addition to that, patient information, suggestions if there are present, so all of them get updated with just a simple search followed by a selection that you can achieve by using the Smart Search feature. Let's take a minute and try a few other examples. So go there again, and this time let's try fibroids, for example, uterine fibroids. So I just start typing the first few letters, and no sooner have I typed the first three letters and you see the fibroids are showing up. So I can click on the diagnosis of my choice and go ahead with filling it up. Another example, let's take calculi this time, and calculi can be present in various parts of the body. They can be there in the gallbladder, they can be even in the pancreas or in the kidneys. So a whole host of calculi show up when I search for it. You can actually narrow down the search. For example, if you're looking for calculi in the left kidney, you can just type in the organ name there and reduce the number of choices to only that organ of interest for you. So this way you can quickly get down to the selections of your choice. In general, remember that if you have a typist, you can always ask him or her to search for the keyword. Most diagnosis and impression terms are mapped and are searchable entities. In general, as a radiologist, you will benefit immensely by incorporating Smart Search in your dictation routine. For each observation you make, just dictate the corresponding diagnosis. Let your typist do a Smart Search for the term, select the appropriate one, and fill in data where needed. We have seen this process making a huge difference. Reports are composed much faster and various mistakes are avoided, even if it's a new or an inexperienced typist working with you. This sums up the smart search feature. Thank you very much, and I will get back to you in the next video on tips and tricks of Emerald. Thank you.